Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Well, hey, since you're here, let me tell you about something that really helped me in my business. Hey, what's up, guys? As you can see, we're having some fun today. This channel is all about for me, it's all about being real and coming to you guys with real things that have helped me progress in this industry. It's not an easy industry to learn, and it's not an industry that a lot of people are successful, but those that are successful seem to really have massive success. So today, what I'm talking to you guys about is really not anything that is mind-blowing. It's not going to change your business overnight. It didn't change my business overnight, but if I look back over the last 3-4 years, I can see that this incrementally, changed the way that I'm doing things day by day, right? Maybe post by post, if you will, because what we're talking about is some Facebook groups that I would recommend for insurance agents, right? So first, I got to say that the relationships that I've made, the things that I've learned, all of that stuff is so extremely valuable. But it also was those Facebook groups that encouraged me to start my Facebook group, Health Insurance Hustlers, right? Where we've created a community of under 65 individual insurance agents, right? Just kind of, whether you're in Medicare and you're looking to kind of get into the ACA or the private options when it comes to health insurance, or you're doing final expense, whatever it is, we've created a community where we can all learn and we can grow together. So Health Insurance Hustlers, that's a group that I run and absolutely love doing it. We've just surpassed about 1,000 members. We've been going for about 6 months now, and it's been a blast. I really, really love what we're building there. So definitely go check that out. But some of the other ones that I wanted to mention to you, they're not all health insurance related as far as like the under 65. I know some of you guys that follow are big into the under 65 health space. A lot of these are going to be either for Medicare or marketing, but what you'll find is you'll learn a lot about marketing. You'll learn a lot about even the under 65 stuff. You'll learn a lot about Medicare. And most importantly, you should, if you're active and engaged, you should be able to generate some relationships that are going to slowly help you to start changing the way you do things and improving the way you do things. So first one that I got to give credit to is my man Justin Brock, Medicare Gurus. So if you're not in that group, Medicare Gurus, you've probably been living under a rock, because that is a massively successful Medicare group. My friend Justin has put in a ton of time and effort and resources and money, financial investment to make sure that that group has quality content that's going to help Medicare agents, right? They're on a mission to help 1 million Medicare beneficiaries, and they're well on their way. So if you're not in Medicare Gurus, you definitely want to go check that out. And if you're saying, man, I don't even write Medicare, well, that's okay, because they talk about a lot of things outside of just Medicare. In fact, he posted something about dental insurances the other day that you might want to check out. Second one I want to call out or give a shout out to rather is advanced insurance marketing. Landon McCarter is a marketing guru. Anybody that's had a chance to listen to him talk, he'll leave your brain smoking. I'm like, what the heck is going on? I don't even know what he's talking about. So there is some advanced insurance marketing concepts there. That's advanced insurance marketing, right? AIM. That's another great resource if you're looking to learn some of the things that these higher level individuals and agencies are doing to market themselves and their agencies and generate leads and all of that good stuff, right? Another fun one that I have actually just shut off, the Taco Tuesday. I was just listening to some of the Taco Tuesday with Christian Brindle and Glenn Shelton. That group is called Six Figure Medicare Agency, or Six Figure Medicare Agents. And man, Christian just pours his heart and soul into that group and helping agents and Medicare agents become successful and make that transition from zero to their first 6 figures. In fact, I just saw somebody posting how grateful they are to be a part of that community, which I thought was extremely cool. So, shout out to Christian running a great group called Six Figure Medicare Agents. The other one, man, I gotta say, this guy, right, Joe Campert, is unbelievable at this, and he has started a group within like the last month or so that's already surpassed 1,200 members. It's growing so fast because there's so much value being shared there. It's ridiculous. That's called the Insurance Syndicate, right? Insurance Syndicate. Joe has a passion for helping people. He doesn't care what he's getting in return. He just wants to make an impact, and he's doing that through that group. So regardless of whether you're in property and casualty, right, or health, life, whatever sector of the industry you're in, Insurance Syndicate is a great group to be a part of, right? This is another one about marketing, right? It's called Marketing for Insurance Agents, okay? That's run by David Denning. Great guy. I've had the chance to have a couple conversations with him. He's sending me agents that I can help. He's reaching out to me with questions and, how he can add value, how I can add value. There's tons of high-level marketing stuff there, as well as great entry-level, marketing for insurance agents tips, right? And that's called, again, Marketing for Insurance Agents. It's a great group. I've been a part of that group for a while too, and I think they've got almost like 20,000 members, so it's not a small group either. It's massive. So check that group out. And then the last one, this would be what I would consider kind of the godfather of all insurance groups, right? You probably have heard of this one, and if you haven't, again, probably living under a rock. It's called Insurance Soup. Okay, that's Michael McCormick's group. It's a massive group full of P&C agents, life, health, all things insurance. There's been so much value brought to me through that group alone. In fact, I think I discovered a few of these groups that I talk about through Insurance Soup. It's a massive community of agents. Those guys are also pouring their hearts and souls into helping mostly P&C, but really all agents. They're helping a ton of P&C agents break free from the captive world and market for themselves and become independent. Grow their agencies, all of that good stuff. They also have tons of awesome tools and resources for you there. So that's called Insurance Soup. We're going to post a full list of these groups in the comments, so make sure you check them out. Don't get overly wrapped up in what can I get out of it. Start with those groups and try to add value, right? So don't go into these groups expecting, well, what can I get? What can I get? What can I get? Go into these groups looking to add value, meaning when some post pops up that you can help with, help them out. Drop a comment in there, let them know that you can help or whatever. And I promise you guys, you're going to get so much out of being a part of these communities because it's changing the way that we view things. For a long time, insurance was just kind of this, everything that successful people were doing was this just big secret, right? With these groups, man, they're overcoming that. So check them out, and I'll see you there. Hey, listen, if I was to tell you that you can take the long way to get there, or I know a shortcut to go this way, what are you going to do? Check out the shortcut to success for you right here.